There are businesses that will make money no matter the economy, trends, or competition. These are businesses that people need. These are businesses that solve people problem, and these businesses are blowing up in 2025. But the sad truth is that not many people know that they exist. So this is the perfect time to tap in and dominate these businesses in 2025. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 fail-proof businesses that you can start in 2025. So whether you have small capital or enough, these businesses is going to pay you. So if this sounds like something you are here for, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. And also stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing these 7 fail-proof businesses that you can start as a Nigerian to make money. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is car upgrades and refurbishing. Yes, this is a thing now in 2025. People are upgrading their old cars to look like new cars, and it's a booming business now. Because do you know the price of new cars in 2025? They don't have the money to buy a new car. At the same time, they want to have that feel of having a new car, which is why they go into like car upgrades and refurbishing. They want to change their whole car, like the painting, the engines, and everything to make it look like new. It will not be the same amount as buying the whole new one. It will save them a lot of money and also give them the vibe of them having a new car. Like if they did not tell you that, oh, it was my new car, my old car that I refurbished or upgraded, you are never going to tell. So this is a big business now that not many people know about. I know a friend that literally moved to Lagos in order to learn this, because like this is booming now in Lagos. So this is a business that you can start with as little as 100,000, because obviously if you are going to be doing car upgrades and refurbishing, you are not going to be spending your own money. All you just need to know to have is like the right tools and equipment in order to help people to do it. So if this is something that you are interested in, better start and learn this skill, because in 2025 this is a way to make lots of money. So if you know anybody that is into car upgrades, refurbishing, better go and learn it, because do not say that I did not warn you. People are about to cash out with just doing this. The second fail-proof business idea that you can start in 2025 is skincare. Yes, skincare is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity now. Like, you're not dealing with so much things. There is acne, there is eczema. People just want to not look like their problem. And if you are a vendor that sells skincare, like, you would always sell, because skincare is no longer a luxury. Everybody and their grandmother now does skincare. People want to have glowing skin. They don't want to look like that. But personally, I know how much I spend on skincare in a month. Like, I would go and restock my product. I'll be like, oh my god, this product must last me about 2 months. And then the next month I'm literally repurchasing. So this is a business that you can always venture into with as little as 50,000, 100,000 to start a business. Like, you don't have to go big as a beginner. You don't have to go big as a beginner. You can always start small just by being a retailer. You buy from wholesalers, then be a retailer. But one thing that is always sure is you will always sell. And also, if you have enough capital, it's a thing that you can always source from you can always import directly from these companies. You would even gain more by doing this. So the first one I already said is car refurbishing and upgrade. The second one is skincare. These are fail-proof businesses that you make sense in 2025 to go into, because you will always make your money regardless of, and you can always start with low capital as well. The third one is solar and renewable energy. You guys, PSC or NEPA, whatever they call themselves now, they are so unreliable. In a day, you might not have they might not even flash their light. So everybody is now like prioritizing solar. Everybody wants to have solar in their apartment. So this is like a good business. If you can learn how to install solar, you're going to make a lot of money. Because even I, as a single girl, I'm considering installing solar in my apartment. Because do you know how much they are selling fuel right now? Like, fuel is so expensive. I have a generator, but I barely buy fuel. Like, I only buy fuel once a week. Because if you start to like track how much you are spending on fuel in a week, you will sit down and think, oh my god, I think I need to get solar instead, because if I should save this amount, eventually it is not worth it. So if you know anybody that does solar installation, you can always learn how to install solar. This will help you. This is a skill. Like, people, you will always find somebody that wants to install solar in their apartment, no matter how small. And there are different levels. Like, there are budget of 1M, 2M, 500. So you just always make money if you are into this business, and you don't necessarily have to be a solar installer. How about selling solar products like their power banks? Like, people always want to purchase that, their batteries, their panels, their inverters. These are ways that you can go into this business and make a lot of money. The fourth fail-proof business that you can start in 2025 that you will always make money from is logistic. Like, e-commerce continues to grow every year. Like, people are always buying and selling. And do you know what stops people from actually buying online? It's usually logistics and delivery fees. People are like, oh, all these delivery agents are not reliable. Dispatch rider no show. Item is stuck in transit for days. Like, I did not receive my orders. Delivery fee is too high. It's even higher than the product I bought. But if you can be a logistic company, if we can create a logistic company that you have like drivers that are reliable, that customers will always get their orders on time, there is no item that is stuck in transit for this. Like, if I am a brand and I have like a logistic company like that, I will always patronize them. If I know that, okay, I never have to worry with you, because you always deliver my customers' goods on time. Like, I don't have to be chasing you with calls every time. Why would I not patronize you? So, and with this business, you don't necessarily have to like have bikes. You can always partner with existing riders, like, to save you cost as a startup. You just need to connect vendors to riders, and then you take your cuts. And that is how you are going to own a logistic company in 2025 and make lots of money. Because trust me, people always buy and sell online. Like, we are in the digital world right now. You will always see something you want to get on TikTok, especially. Like, do you know the amount of mental stress I go through not to order stuff online every single day? Because you always see something that is attractive. So the fifth fail-proof business that you can start in 2025 is food processing and packaging. You need to like listen. Food business will never die. Like, obviously, we cannot survive without food, can we? So food business will never die. Or I'm not even talking about food business right now. I'm talking about the processing and packaging. So instead of you like selling them in Congos or in rubbers, however they sell it in your state, like, how about like you get those products, put them in like small quality and brand them and sell it to people. Trust me, people will buy it, because people love buying brands. Like, just to say, oh, the kind of Gary I shop, I don't buy Gary in the market. My Gary is from so. It's a branded Gary and it stays so nice. Like, people always want to belong. And you don't have to go big for a start. You can always start small. Like, 100K will start this business. The sixth fail-proof business in 2025 that you can start with low or enough capital is cleaning services. Yes, like, there are short-term rentals everywhere. There's Airbnb everywhere. Like, people are now renting apartments for a day, for a week, and these people will always need like cleaning service, especially after their clients. So they always want to like employ people to do the cleaning for them. And this is where you come in. You just need to get a few reliable staff, get cleaning supplies and tools, and start cleaning business. Like, I remember when I moved into this apartment and I didn't want to do like the whole cleaning myself. I'm like, oh, I'll just get a cleaning company to do it for me. And when they charged me, like, they were charging me like 50K to clean a room. I'm like, there's money in this thing, though, because 50K to clean a room, that's a lot of money. Imagine cleaning like 5 rooms in a day. You only made 250K. Like, and you have staff. How much are you going to pay your staff? Like, let's say max 100K out of the 250K. you are the one keeping the 150k. Like, there is money in this thing, and I know people are like, oh my god, why would I be doing cleaning? Like, but there's money in this thing, like cleaning services. There's money in it. So if you can get into that in 2025, you are going to make money. And the seventh one, which is where I fit in, which is digital services. So we are talking UGC, we are talking content creation, we are talking personal branding here. So if you can be a user generated content, you help brands create videos that they can put on their page, run ads with it, or just post as organic content. You are going to make a lot of money because obviously we are moving into like a knowledge economy. People want to create people want to have an online audience, they want to have an online presence, and most of these businesses cannot create content themselves, or they don't even know how it works. And you as a content creator, this is where you come in. You have to pitch to them like, oh my god, I can create content for your business that you can just put on your page. I personally do this. If you need a user generated content creator, I'm pitching myself to you. I'm a user generated content creator. I create product videos, short form videos that you can use to run ads or just organic content. I'm also a content creator. Obviously, I'm a YouTuber, so you're watching my video. So these are things that you can actually do to make money, that you always make money. They are fail-proof business. If you can get into these 7 businesses or just one of them in 2025, you're never going to go broke. I mean, there'll be times where you have down times in your finances, but it's not going to be like nothing at all. So let me know which one of these business caught your attention. Which one are you going to try out in this 2025? And if you enjoy videos like this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and yeah, comment your thoughts down below. I'd like to hear what you think about this video and what businesses you'll be starting in 2025. And with that being said, see you in my next video. Bye.